You've heard about the law of assumption, the remarkable power to manifest your desires. You've seen success stories of people transforming their lives, but if you're feeling stuck and struggling, you're not alone. The truth is, many people fail to see results because they overlook a simple yet crucial fundamental principle. Listen closely, because this could be the turning point you've been waiting for. If you continue to be who you are right now, you will inevitably continue to receive what you are getting right now. But fret not, for today, we are about to uncover the key that Neville Goddard himself has been teaching to the world. On this channel, we are dedicated to providing you with the knowledge and tools necessary to unlock your manifesting potential. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and join a community of believers who are ready to manifest their dreams. Hey there, my amazing friends. I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you. Your support and love for our channel have been absolutely overwhelming, and we couldn't be more thankful. Your unwavering support acts as fuel for us, inspiring us to create even more informational and high-quality videos that can positively impact your lives. We are dedicated to providing you with the best content, filled with insights, inspiration, and practical tips. So please continue showing your incredible support by liking, commenting, and sharing our videos. Let's begin this extraordinary journey together. In this video, we are going to unveil a truly magical technique, a secret gateway that will enable you to manifest anything you desire. Prepare to be amazed as we guide you through the steps and reveal the hidden mysteries behind this incredible technique. It's time to break free from the limitations holding you back and harness the power of manifestation like never before. If you're ready to change your life, to transcend the struggles and step into a realm of limitless possibility, then this video is a must-watch. Get ready to witness the transformation that awaits you as we dive deep into the profound secrets of the law of assumption. Are you prepared to unlock the path to your desires? Neville Goddard was a pioneer in the field of the law of attraction, with his advice focused on how we can use our imagination and belief systems to create the life we desire. According to Neville Goddard, it is necessary to let go of the old self to manifest one's desired reality. To transform your world and completely reinvent yourself, it is necessary to let go of your old self and assess how engaged you are with who you currently are. Begin by gradually releasing daily routines, habits, physical appearance, thoughts, and assumptions one by one until you become a fresher version of yourself. This will help create a significant shift in mindset, allowing for the manifestation of desires. A great way to do this is by visualizing yourself already living out those dreams or having already achieved that goal. Focus on details like what kind of clothes you are wearing or what kind of house you live in. This can solidify those positive changes in your mind, making them more real over time. It isn't enough to just make assumptions when using the law of assumption. Changing your mindset is also important, as well as understanding that what didn't work before was likely due to not correctly implementing true ideas from the law of assumption, such as leaving behind your old self and starting anew. Putting these concepts into practice daily can help lead individuals towards living their best lives through manifestations made possible by Neville Goddard's teachings. Your external reality reflects your existing beliefs, assumptions, and thoughts. Therefore, to create tangible change in our lives, we must first shift these internal mental states. Breaking away from an identity we have held onto for many years can be challenging. However, engaging with who we truly want to be becomes essential if we desire something different. The law of assumption states that what we assume will come true. If we are attempting to repair an old relationship, trying again will only lead us down the same painful path instead of bringing joy. To achieve our desires, a shift in our state of mind is required. Believing and acting as if our wishes have already come true helps us manifest them eventually. Understanding how our imagination creates reality is key. By using visualization techniques like affirmations, meditations, or dream boards. Alongside positive thought patterns, we can reach our goals more quickly than before. The law of assumption is based on the belief that individuals can detach themselves from their current reality and create space for effortlessly manifesting desired results. This can be achieved by shifting one's perspective from lacking what they desire to already having or becoming it. To do this, individuals must redirect their attention away from their current selves and assume that their desires have already been fulfilled. It necessitates living in a state that reflects their assumptions and goals, embodying emotional states associated with the desired outcome, demonstrating readiness to receive them, and actively participating in creating their destiny following the principles of the law of assumption. Assuming responsibility for thoughts, beliefs, and actions helps align them with the vibrational frequency of abundance, leading to success in various areas, whether it be financial prosperity or overall happiness. It is crucial to recognize how these factors influence the experience of reality and shape the desired or undesired outcomes accordingly. Understanding the underlying essence of the law of assumption will help perfect its practice, ultimately allowing powerful effects to be observed in one's life. The key to manifesting what you desire is understanding that it starts with a change in consciousness. You must let go of how you currently are and step into the person that will bring about the desired result. This requires trust in yourself and faith in your abilities, knowing that anything is possible when it comes to manifesting the life you want through assumption techniques. Neville Goddard has inspired millions around the world with his teachings on consciousness, visualization, belief systems, and more. He believed that anyone could tap into their inner power by using their imagination as a tool for creating positive outcomes in any area of their lives, financially, spiritually, or otherwise. With Neville's teachings, people have learned how to use affirmations and visualizations as powerful tools for manifestation. Believing is seeing. I hope you found immense value in this video, peeling back the layers of Neville Goddard's teachings on the law of assumption for manifestation. Remember, the power to create the life of your dreams lies within your imagination and belief systems. As we wrap up, it's important to emphasize the significance of letting go of your old self and vividly visualizing the details of your desired outcomes, from the clothes you wear to the house you live in. These small yet impactful steps lay the foundation for successful manifestations. If you felt a connection to the teachings shared in this video, I encourage you to leave a comment below, sharing your experiences and insights. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future videos where we explore deeper into the realms of manifestation. May your journey be blessed with divine guidance, and may you manifest a life beyond your wildest dreams. Thank you for watching.